Hey guys, it's your girl Theola.
Oh,
He's not ready.
I I'm Andre.
Okay, take two. Okay, so we're ready now. Hey guys, it's your girl. Alright, I need some water. Hey guys, it's your girl Theola.
And I'm Andre.
And we are back with another lit video.
Yes. Tiola, what do you have in store for me today?
Okay, so guys, today I'm gonna ask my husband, my lovely,
Me.
sweet husband, questions that I've never asked him before. So before we continue this video, please remember to,
Like, comment, and subscribe.
and guys, if you're new here, I want to say welcome to Spencer's vlog.
Yeah, you're gonna enjoy it.
You're
guys.
lit.
Yeah,
if
we're
you're here,
we're
you're
fun.
lit.
We're pretty cool.
Okay, you're lit. All right, so we are ready. So the first question is, if I were to pass away, and please answer the questions honestly. Don't put on, don't go around corner. Answer the questions.
You hear this
honestly.
setup? So this is
Okay.
a setup, but I'm gonna answer properly. All right, let's go.
All right. If I were to pass away,
Water.
how long would it take you to move on to someone else?
6 months.
Babe, I feel away.
All right, how about this then? 6 months to a year.
I'm gonna come and haunt her, cause we're still fresh in the groove.
Oh no, I wouldn't put her in your bed. But I said guys. She asked me to be honest. I would not keep this bed. I would sell it.
But babe,
Hmm?
oh my gosh.
I'll keep the bed firm.
Anyways, next question. All right. If I'm dying, the only way to save me is to give me one of your organs. Would you?
Yeah.
Okay. So if it was to give me your heart, would you? You would give me a heart.
So we make a use. Use go to heart or something. Guys, this we have to be practical here, right? I would not give her my heart.
Andrea
Right.
love me.
I do love her.
I would give you my
Tell her
heart
without a question. I would.
because I would still be a part of you, and I would control who you fall in love with because I'm your heart. Get it?
Oh, okay. Oh, you crazy.
So, what do you hate more? Me putting my cold feet on you in bed or me grabbing your bum? Which do you hate more?
The bum.
You hate the bum?
Yeah, I'll take the cold feet. The cold feet is horrible, guys. It's not the best
Even when
feeling.
we put it up there?
Oh shit.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
Cause guys, up there warm, you know?
Up
It's when
where?
heat.
Jeez. No.
Let's leave it to their imagination. Up there warm, guys. I ain't gonna lie.
I'm rubbing the bottle if you guys are concerned. So when you see me doing this,
So that means I'm allowed to put my feet
no,
there.
you're not allowed. It's just preference. So if I should choose one, I prefer the cold feet over the butt touching.
Okay. Alright.
Oh, these questions are fun.
Alright. If one of my friends flirt with you behind my back, would you hide it or tell me?
I would ignore it and it would like it didn't happen.
So you wouldn't tell me?
All right, so this is what I would do. To be honest, if it's a friend of Taylor's that I know that she's not into some weird shit, I would just see it as a momentary lapse in judgment and leave it alone. But if I know it's one of those shady friends, I would tell Taylor as it happened because I don't want that girl to tell lies on me.
No.
Guys,
You
if it's
need
surface,
to tell me.
if it's surface level, I don't care.
It's
but
my friend. If it's like somebody outside
That's-
that did it,
yeah.
fine.
Mhm.
But if it's my friend, I think you should let me know.
If she says something that is obviously like heavy flirting, as Taylor said, I would tell her. If it's surface level stuff, I
Alright,
would
so
just
never know. So you have heavy flirt and light flirt. Flirt is just
yeah.
flirt.
You had a family member that saw me once, and they were like, "Andrew, I like your bottom looking at a pants there," and this was me like,
But it different.
and then you could call that flirting, but I ignored it, right?
All right. I guess it depends on the character, like the type of person.
Yeah.
I guess. All right. Do I still give you butterflies,
Yeah.
or make you a rat back now?
No, Taylor gave me butterflies, so last night Taylor prepared a meal for me, right? The belly's still up me.
Guys, you make seriously, Andre. First of all, you put me out of my comfort zone. I do not prepare those type of Italian, Latino. What the name? What is something name?
Alfredo.
Alfredo, chicken
So-
Alfredo, whatever.
Oh my god. I'm feeling
Hurt your belly?
I'm feeling butterflies.
No, it's not hate. Babe, do I still give you
Yes,
but
you
you're not
do.
answer the
Yes, you
question? I don't believe.
Yes, you.
I don't believe right
Guys,
now.
I'm just trying to
You
be
grow
fu-
on the corner.
Guys, I was just trying to be funny. You see, I'm smiling non-stop. Look, this is me being serious.
I'm not persuaded.
Yes, you do.
Anyways, you give me rat back.
Oh, that heavy. You feel it heavy.
Anyways,
Hmm.
if I couldn't cook, would you still marry me?
Yes.
You would? Okay.
Mhm.
Really?
Mhm.
Really, Andre?
Yeah, that's not your duty.
But you like when
I
I cook?
love the fact that you can cook, but if you didn't, it wouldn't be a showstopper.
Oh, supper. Okay.
Yeah.
Alright. If I were to agree to have 3 the math with before I ask my question here.
People, I just have to deal with it. Because the first question, I want you guys to tell me what was she
Yes.
saying. Now this time, would you prefer to have 3 math? Okay, keep going.
Would you prefer to have the sum of 3 with me? Like if I said I was gonna do that,
Uh-huh.
would you agree to it?
Yes.
You didn't hear it, but I did. Oh, this is real good. Boy, say it in the mic, Jimmy.
2 women.
Oh, you said no?
Andre! Oh my gosh. A good thing I asked answer them question here.
I
like,
would.
I never asked you
Yeah.
before. What kind of girl?
You
like
pick.
if me pick the girl.
Yeah, you set up. So I'll let her pick the girl.
Why you don't make me pick the girl?
Because if me pick the girl, this is gonna be telling also the type of girl they like.
So Andre, would you really do that?
Yeah. If you-
Alright, so guys, if you do not see any other YouTube videos in the upcoming months or week, I'm sorry to let you know that my husband no longer exists. Okay? Alright? Alright.
She was the one who decided to ask this question. Guys,
Yeah!
I want someone to tell me in the comments which guy would refuse that. None.
Yes.
None.
You actually have some
None.
people out there that would say no,
None.
they don't want
They're
any-
a liar.
Suppose me if you ask you the other way around.
I would not ask you to do that. You ask me to do that.
Anyway,
Oh, baby.
you see, no know where Andre mine is, and
No, my mind wasn't there. You're the person whose mind is there. You have it on paper.
me just ask you some questions.
Yeah, but that's
and
where your mind is.
you answer them wrong. Alright.
Yeah, these people.
Alright, so I think this is the last question.
Oh, God.
Did you not say thank God?
No, Mr. Me very hard.
True. Have you ever regretted marrying me or had second thoughts?
Oh no, I think that you in my life has been an upward movement and we are where we should be. Like, us together is awesome.
Aww. Us together plus the one
Plus cuddles is awesome.
where you want.
Oh, we're still talking about that person? No, that would just be a one-time thing. We wouldn't bring them in.
One time thing, babe. It's gonna be a never time thing. So guys, those are the questions that I really wanted to ask Andre, and now that I've had clarity, as I said, we might not have any other YouTube video coming up, and if you see YouTube video, maybe me alone next time, okay? And I guess you guys will be able to understand why, right?
Peace out.
So guys, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos, and click that bell. Click that notification bell below.
And
Okay.
and guys, if your
Okay.
female come with these questions, set up, run, don't do it.
Yeah, cause you're not gonna no more YouTube video
You see that?
after this.
So
Okay,
remember this
guys?
face.
So peace out.
Are you gonna let me down? Are you gonna watch me fall in love, then let me drown? Or are you gonna love me now?